The highlights of the first half results for us here at EMIS were very strong financial performance. So we're positive about what we achieved in the first period. So we grew the revenue 7%, and we also managed to grow profits as well on the way through, which was great. And that's at the time we were really investing in the business for a new technology for our customers. And there's a heavy emphasis on that, so that was also pleasing. We managed to be able to grow the business as well as investing heavily. And the other highlight as well from a financial point of view is we managed to keep the dividend growth going again, which is something we're very passionate about for our shareholders. In terms of the team internally, they've been working incredibly hard, so we are very, very busy in working with our customers, getting close to them, working on the new developments we've talked about and making sure that we're delivering our promises. So yeah, positive period. I'm very pleased with it. And it's something we want to keep going, obviously, as we move forward as a group. But yeah, no, a good period for us. We've introduced this time a new divisional reporting structure. So we're focused on two segments now. One which is focused on the NHS, is EMIS Health. And that is our, if you like, our traditional focus for the business. But also we've introduced EMIS Enterprise, which is where we get most of our revenues predominantly from private sector customers. And what we want to do is have a good focus on both as we develop our business. And over time, we're hoping to get to 50-50 between the enterprise business and also the traditional EMIS Health business, if I use that term. Both did very well, so we organised the teams around the new approach, and both have progressed well, both grew in the period, which is great. Some extra growth in the enterprise side, and some modest growth, but good growth on the health side. So pleased with that, pleased with the performance. And part of that approach is all about making sure we're joined up for our customers, making sure we're offering end-to-end solutions, and the teams are focused on that. So we're pleased with progress. That's our new approach going forward, and we're looking forward to developing both of those businesses in parallel. Okay, so one of the big things for the group right now is our re-tender for the framework in England for primary care or GP practices. It's called GP IT Futures is the term. I can't give you any details, unfortunately, on the bid or any of the content at this stage, because we have submitted the bid and now it's part of the adjudication, so it would be inappropriate to discuss any of the details. But we're pleased with what we've done. We've worked very closely with the customer to make sure we understand their needs, and I'm very pleased with the way we've handled that. We're expecting the results after the summer is over, so in the next couple of months, maybe 3 months, but that's coming soon. We've said previously we think we're well positioned. I continue to think so, but clearly we have to wait on the decision being made. So we've been very positive. Our team's done a great job. We've been really pleased and thankful to our customer for spending time with us, as they have with other vendors, and we're very positive about the outcome. So we look forward to receiving that and then updating the market as soon as we have that information. So one of the big strategic initiatives we announced in our Capital Markets Day was that we're investing in new technology, and EMIS X is that platform. So that's an integrated clinical platform for different care settings. So that's one of the big initiatives in our technology refresh and upgrade. So that's going very well. So we've had a team on that for some time, even before we announced it, and we're making good progress. We've actually got one of the modules live now in the customer environment, which is as part of our marketplace solution for our consumer-facing app, patient access. So the good news is we've got part of the technology live, which is great. We've also completed a number of the core modules, and we're on track to have the platform up and running in 2020, which is a really great execution from the team when it'll be achieved. So we've got a lot of confidence in that, and it's going very well. Always lots of challenges. It's a big complex project, but we've got excellent people leading it and an excellent team. So we're pleased with progress, and we're looking forward to having that version 1 out there during financial year 2020, and then we build from there. So when we think about the current trading for EMIS, obviously very pleased with the H1 results for 2019. So pleasing going forward in both revenue, profit, and also dividend for the shareholders. So that was great. We expect to trade to market expectations for 2019. We're very focused on that. Lots of moving parts, as there always are at this time of the year, as we move towards our close at the end of December. But we're pleased with progress. We're very clear what we need to do to achieve the results that the board expect from us. So short-term trading, positive for what we've just done. We're very focused on delivering to the market for the next period. If you look in the medium term, one of the things we've communicated to the market is we want to have consistent growth in revenue, so mid to upper single digits growth on a regular basis. So that's something mid-term we're focused on, and part of our investment in new technology is to build those new growth platforms. So that's a big thing. So EMIS-X is part of that. Our patient marketplace is part of that, and we've got a number of other initiatives we're working on. And also we want to improve profitability again in the mid-term. So we're in investment phase right now. We're going to spend every penny we can save in building new technology, new innovation for our customers. And then as we build that, we expect to grow, and we believe that profitability will come through towards that 30% ideally that we indicated again at our recent Capital Markets Day.